If you're coming to Mexico, you're going to see an Oxxo probably on every single corner. We're going to take a quick tour of what you can find inside. So if you're come in and hit the airport from the airport, you can just grab and go. Let's check it out. Hey guys, it's Paula and Natasha with Nomadic-AF. Today we are going to be talking about shopping in Mexico.
Today, specifically in an Oxxo. These are convenience stores in Mexico that are on every single corner. They're open 24/7 and they have everything you need, especially if you're getting in late or need something small and quick. Oxxo is the place to go. So let's check it out.
Yeah, let's do it.
In Centro Mazatlan, but they're all the same.
Yeah, they all have that same red and orange logo.
Yep. And basically, you can see you can just get anything you need. I wouldn't shop here
Yeah, but if you need a quick carbone, if you
Yeah.
want some chips, if you need some dog food, you'll find it here.
Yeah. So you should also note that if you live here and you are going to move here and you have bills to pay, like electric bill, water bill, whatever bill
Yeah.
you need to pay, you can pay it at Oxxo.
Yeah, absolutely. And they do have a rewards card. It's called Spin. You have to give them all your information, but it does have some pretty significant discounts.
Especially paying bills.
Yeah, especially paying bills. Yeah.
They are always stocked at Oxxo.
Yeah, you can see she's doing inventory there.
You can also get beer, wine, and liquor here. The beer is in the cases. The wine and liquor is behind the counter. You have to ask for it.
Yeah, and depending on where you are in Mexico, 5 p.m. is the limit on, I think that's Sunday.
That's just Sundays. Yeah, it's really statewide, so it depends. And at Oxxo, you can pay cash, credit, debit. You can use any form of payment you want, which is different than a lot of the tiendas we go to. So
yeah, they have a lot of baby supplies, toilet paper, all that kind of stuff, bread and hot sauce, bags of beans.
yeah, this is just a really good spot if you're in a pinch and you need to get something quick. Run into an Oxxo.
Yeah.
We tend to try to go to the smaller locally owned tiendas first,
Yeah,
but a lot of times they just don't have
it's
what
just
we
not
need.
possible. Yeah.
Tortillas, even
Yeah.
eggs.
Coffee creamer.
They also have a little, as you can see right there, a little produce shelf, but it is so overpriced. It is insane. But
Yeah.
if you absolutely need a banana, there you go.
Yep, little cold items like yogurt and ham and stuff if you want a quick
And
trip to the beach.
right, yeah. And another good thing is if you're here and you just get in and you want a coffee, they have a really good coffee setup. So you can just pour your own coffee there and go back to your room and
Be done with
be
it.
done with it. So if you don't want to buy coffee or make it,
Yeah.
Oxxo.
Another thing is they have like phone chargers and stuff. If
Yeah.
you forget your phone charger, you can buy them there. Little magazines, newspapers, cigarettes,
Oh yeah,
all of
cigarettes
that stuff.
too, yeah.
All right, so that's Oxxo.
And again, it's super convenient, but it is overpriced like any other convenience store would be.
Yeah, but if you're in a pinch and you're arriving late or something, just Google where your closest Oxxo is. I guarantee it'll be a block or two away.
Yeah, they might be closed in the evenings. They are open 24/7, but the door will be closed. So you just talk to them through the hole in the door and they'll go get what you want.
Yep.
All right, so that's Oxxo. We're going to do a bunch of different tiendas and different shoppings. So if you want to subscribe, check it out. And that way you can learn how to shop at any store in Mexico.
Yeah, we post videos like this all the time.
Yep. All
Till
right.
next time.
Lights.